Halloween scary Bloody Marys. Hey, welcome back to Smokin and Drinkin. I'm Mike and it's Halloween and we are going to make scary Bloody Marys. I've got my helper Skelly with me and we are going to make a Bloody Mary concoction. So let's get started. We have already assembled scary mouths, our scary fingers. We've got some scary mushroom skulls. And our celery stalks, because every Bloody Mary has to have a celery stalk in it. So what we're going to do, we need 9 ounces of Bloody Mary mix. This is just a traditional Bloody Mary mix. It's not particularly spicy. And we need 9 ounces. There's 9 ounces. And we need 3 ounces of vodka. This is the world famous pickle vodka. Just need 3 ounces of that. And then we are gonna, because it's Halloween, we're gonna make our vodka black. Just using food coloring. I actually make a black vodka that you can buy. Why pay extra when you can just make it black yourself? I don't know exactly what the ratios are here. We're just going to have to try it. Looking kind of red right now. I'm going back to my grade school art class. Mix all the colors to get black. That looks pretty black. Okay, before we add that, we need to assemble our garnish. We've got our tall skewers. Let's start with a celery stalk, because every Bloody Mary has to have a celery stalk in it. Should have these prepared. And we're going to trim a little bit of that off the bottom. Let's trim a little more. Don't need it sticking clear up in the air. There we go. I asked Mrs. Smokin and Drinkin to make the scary garnish items for me because, well, let's face it, she just has more artistic ability than I do. You can see here she's making the mushroom skeleton heads, just carving eyes and a mouth and into just mushrooms from the grocery store. Plan was to make several Bloody Marys, so I asked her to make 3 or 4 of these, but ended up just making one. This adds a little bit of, I don't know, health to the Bloody Mary, healthy food to the Bloody Mary. Here you can see she's cutting the apples to make the mouths. Had a little miscommunication at first. She cut them in slices, but then we decided to cut wedges out of them and put the teeth in the middle of the wedge slice there. It's all right. We ate the rest of the apple slices, and they were delicious. Any apple will do here if you want to make these. We chose, I think these are Granny Smith. We tend to like those a little sweeter. I like those. Those look good. So next we need to get the peanut butter. Oh, I guess you wanted to have a taste there. So we got the peanut butter. That's kind of to make the gums of the mouth, also holds the teeth in, which that's what gums do. So just spread a little bit of peanut butter on the inside of the apple mouth. And then we'll get the teeth here in a second. Then we just take some yogurt covered raisins and we just stick them in the peanut butter in the mouth. Just line them up like teeth. And there you have it, 2 scary mouths to go with our garnish. Then we need some eyes to go with that mouth. So we've got some manzanilla olives stuffed with pimentos. Just gonna stick them on a couple of short toothpicks and pop them in there on top. Makes nice little eyes. Next we need the bony green fingers. For that we're using baby dill pickles. Just carve a little notch out of one end for the fingernails. And then we just take a raw almond and slip it in there to make a fingernail. And then we're going to take one of our funky skulls that Mrs. Smokin and Drinkin so deftly carved for me. She is definitely the artist in the family. And we're going to add our, it's not so scary, it almost looks sad more than anything, but our apple face. Move that all the way up. That down in there. Then we have these scary looking pickle fingers. Split that a little more. There we go. Okay, then we're going to add our vodka, but we want it to sit on top. So what we're going to do is take a teaspoon, just a regular tablespoon, and we're going to just kind of pour it over the back of the spoon so that it doesn't, hopefully, mix in with the Bloody Mary mix. We want it to sit on top, be kind of a layered drink. There we go. That seemed to work. Nice. And there we have it, our scary Bloody Mary. There's one thing missing. We have one more thing to add to it. I'll go get that and be right back. As I said, we needed the one more ingredient. We needed the jalapeno ghost popper as another garnish. So, need to stir that up a little bit to get the vodka. Looks like it already started mixing. Okay, let's give this a taste. See how it is. Oh yeah, that's delicious. All right, that's it for Smokin' and Drinkin'. Remember to hit the like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And as always, Prost.